Morning and welcome. It's 8 o'clock and it's the 19th of May. And I'd just like to thank everybody who for the subscriptions and for the likes. Much appreciated. And we'll start as ever with the AUD USD. This has moved nicely up. I'm still expecting it to go a little bit further unless it actually tells me tonight on the commitment of traders. And right, so we'll be looking at that later on today. Euro dollar. This has had a little bit of a rise up again. Same story on a lot of the euro trades. A little bit of strength in the euro again, but I think it's on its last legs, to be quite honest. I've got knocked out at this blue line. I'm looking to get back in. If it has a little bit more of a rise up to the last point of rejection, I might take another trade short. Euro JPY, I'm still short. I think this has got much further to go south, so I'm hanging on to my trade. It's a big trade. I've got in at the top and I've got to stop just behind it. I've left it plenty of room. There's about nearly 200 pips there for it to actually have a little bit of space to breathe. Euro, New Zealand dollar. This is going up to the highs again. I took my trade out. I've got two small trades at the bottom here, which I'm expecting this gap to close. I'm looking to the commitment of traders tonight as to whether I should get back in short. There's a little bit of buying on the short side for the New Zealand dollar last week, and we've seen yet again another little bit of a rise. So I'm hanging on till tonight and see what that brings. Same with the pound Australian dollar. We've had a little bit of a comeback on this. I was expecting more. I really was expecting more. I was expecting it to come down here. Now, if it comes down to the 168.679, if it comes down to that sort of area, then it's a good buy. But as I see it where it is, I think it's a little bit risky. So I'm going to leave that. AUD CHF. This has done quite well for us. I think I got in about here. I got out when it was just slightly in profit. I wanted to take some money off the table. I was overextended, so it's come down now to support. I think it's going to follow on through down, but I'm uncertain about it, so I've not got back in. And the same again with the S&P 500. It's broke down. It closed the gap. It went a little bit further and then it stopped. So I don't think if the bubble had burst, it would have continued going down and down and down. So this isn't the bursting bubble, in my opinion. I think it might just ease gently back up. But this is actually forming a little bit of a top sort of sideways movement. We are below the 69.1. We're not on the monthly, but we are on the weekly, and we're definitely on the daily. So see what happens with that. AUD CAD. I'm not looking to enter this. The Australian dollar is long, and so is the Canadian dollar is longing because the price of the oil is going up. If that position changes, then obviously this will be a good trade, in my opinion. USD Mexican peso, wonderful spike up yesterday. I really should have taken profit on that, and I didn't. But I've had, this is the third time I could have taken profit on that. Yeah. USD CAD. I'm expecting it to come down to the blue line. It's coming down now onto a little bit of support, a bit of patience, I feel, and then we should be going long that. Euro, GBP, Euro pound. This has got a little bit of strength again this morning, and it's the same across all the Euro currencies. I believe the German figures were out a few moments ago. It hasn't made a big impact. It's popped up 30-40 pips. So that, all these euros should be a good sell, but I wouldn't do anything till after tonight. Euro CHF, the Swiss franc, got into that yesterday, had this lovely red candle down. I'm going to put my stop in. I'm going to put a stop in close to the top. But I feel this should continue down. Obviously, same again. This is the strength, the German news that came out. USD JPY. This is dollar yen. I think this is going to follow through. So I'm keeping my trades in. I can put a stop on this as well. This is a big trade at the top, and they're 3 times bigger than these at the bottom. So that's the way I like to get my trade, so as it's heavy at the top. Oil has gone up again a little bit. The never increasing price of oil, but it's got to stop somewhere. I think it might get up to about this 51.50 mark, and it should touch the blue line resistance on the RSI. That's what I'm hoping for, and I'll probably go short oil then. Silver weakened yesterday, started to get a bit of strength today. It's coming up to a little bit of resistance here. This is about what you expect, a bit of resistance, and it'll start wiggling about. Euro CAD, got into this yesterday. It looks like a good trade. You've got divergence here between the candle chart and the RSI. What normally happens is that it follows through, and I'll just put my stop in. Lovely. So I'm expecting that to short. Well, I mean, it could have a couple of weeks shorting. If I could get a good short on this, same as the silver trade, but we will see. Okay, well, thank you all for watching, and hopefully see you tomorrow for the commitment of traders report. I'll split it in 2 and try and do a longer report and do some technical analysis on the charts along with the fundamental for the commitment of traders. Okay, thank you very much. Cheers.